Here's something a little different. Besides being a licensed amateur radio operator, I'm also an FAA certified commercial drone pilot. During flight operations, I found it helps to keep the Karens at bay by looking as official as possible. In high traffic areas, I'll wear a safety vest with a hard hat or my ball cap with the FAA emblem on it, just so I look more like someone doing my job than that of just a hobbyist. So I was thinking, in certain circumstances, it might be wise to present that same air of professionalism during a POTA activation. I don't think a safety vest would be necessary, although in wildlife management areas during hunting season, the yellow vest is certainly a good idea. But when I came across a site that sells POTA gear, such as t-shirts, flags, stickers, and such, one item that caught my eye was a POTA Activator badge that features your name, your call sign, operator class, and state. I immediately thought about the activation I did at a state park where I was approached by a park ranger, had a brief talk, and was told that where I was set up would be fine, but failed to tell me that I would soon be surrounded by 50 or so cars and about 200 Girl Scouts and their parents. This was a time that I would have liked to look more official instead of like the old creepy guy in a van in the middle of the Girl Scout jamboree. Thinking back on this, I thought getting a badge might not be a bad idea and could come in handy in the future. So for the meager price of $10, I proceeded to fill in the info I wanted on my badge and click the Add to the Cart button. Processed my credit card info and sat back and waited to become an official card-carrying POTA activator. And that day has arrived. So let's open up this package and see what we got. All right, so we got the badge itself. It's got my name, my call sign, my general class, and amateur radio operator, and that I'm in North Carolina. That's pretty cool. Comes with a lanyard. It's got the POTA logo on it. And then a little card from the gentleman that makes these, W4 Oscar Papa Sierra. And I'll leave a link in the description to his website where you can get this POTA gear. It's www.clubgearonline.com. So let's take a look at the badge here. It's all nicely packaged. See if I can get it open. Nice little laminated card, little badge. Hook it to our lanyard. You can put this around our neck and be official. That's cool. All right, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get this. And I really appreciate y'all guys taking the time to watch this video. And as always, I hope you have a great day.